When it comes to land surveying in Malleswaram, Bangalore, one name stands out among the rest: SCON Design India Pvt Ltd. As a top land surveyor in the area, SCON Design has built a reputation for their expertise, accuracy, and reliability. With a team of highly skilled professionals, they offer a wide range of surveying services to meet the needs of their clients. SCON Design takes pride in being one of the best land surveyors in Malleswaram, Bangalore. Their commitment to quality and precision sets them apart from their competitors. Whether it's a small residential plot or a large commercial development, SCON Design has the knowledge and experience to handle any project with utmost efficiency. What makes SCON Design the top land surveyor in Malleswaram, Bangalore, is their attention to detail and use of advanced technology. They utilize state-of-the-art equipment and software to ensure accurate measurements and precise mapping. This not only saves time but also minimizes errors, resulting in reliable survey data for their clients. SCON Design understands the importance of staying up to date with the latest industry trends and regulations. They constantly invest in training their team and upgrading their equipment to provide the best possible service to their clients. This dedication to continuous improvement has earned them the reputation of being the top land surveyor in Malleswaram, Bangalore. One of the key factors that sets SCON Design apart from other land surveyors is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They prioritize clear communication and collaboration with their clients throughout the surveying process. This ensures that all requirements and expectations are met, and any concerns are addressed promptly. SCON Design offers a comprehensive range of land surveying services, including boundary surveys, topographic surveys, construction staking, and more. When it comes to land surveying in Malleswaram, Bangalore, one company stands out among the rest: SCON Design India Pvt Ltd. As the top land surveyor in the area, SCON Design has established a reputation for delivering accurate and reliable surveying services to clients in both the private and public sectors. With a team of highly skilled and experienced surveyors, SCON Design is equipped to handle any land surveying project, no matter how complex or challenging it may be. What sets SCON Design apart from other land surveying companies is their commitment to providing exceptional quality and service. They understand the importance of accurate surveying in ensuring the success of a project, whether it is for construction, infrastructure development, or land management purposes. The team at SCON Design utilizes the latest technology and techniques to ensure precise measurements and detailed survey data. This attention to detail allows their clients to make informed decisions based on accurate information. SCON Design has been serving clients in Malleswaram, Bangalore, for many years, earning a reputation as the go-to land surveyor in the area. Their extensive experience in the field of land surveying has allowed them to develop a deep understanding